Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Market is still open. Let me give you quick updates on both DFM and ADX market. But before that, let's welcome our new members. Aman's Amimoon Muhammad Ali is my student and regular follower as well. Nasmo TV is also my follower. Doc MMM, welcome. RB, welcome. Ahmad Abdul Azim is also one of my regular follower. Ganesh Natrajan, you must be seeing this person in comment section very often. He is one of my regular follower. All of these are gold members. I'm waiting and I was expecting a few platinum members as well, but I'm sure they will join. Let's go back to the market. We can see DFM index is performing very fine. It's in a strong uptrend. Today we are seeing some rejection around 4050 points. It's so far making a dodgy candle. It means indecisiveness, but overall very bullish. Abu Dhabi index also, this is the daily chart. No doubt it's in a strong uptrend. As I mentioned, resistance now stands at 9800 area here. Also we are seeing a small dodgy candle. There is no harm. It's just taking a pause. This is still good. Any dip should be considered bullish. It can cross this 9800 resistance zone very soon. Let's check out some stocks as well. I will just give you a quick run up. Emirates NBD Bank, a heavy weighted stock on the index. It's at 16.75. Previously we know this was the resistance of 14.10 area. After the breakout it's sustaining. Also it took a pause right here and now it's going up. Today it opened with a gap up, indicating bulls are very aggressive. DIB is also in a strong uptrend. Targets have achieved. 5.80 was resistance, so obviously we could expect some negative reaction and we saw this huge red candle. As of now it's just correcting itself and it's at an important support area. So let's see how it performs, but for now I think correction has already started. DIC, nothing interesting so far. It's just coming back for a retest. If you're following my analysis regularly, right from this zone I have been recommending DIC. There was a gap here that was pending. It filled the gap with this huge candle, good volumes, and now it's sustaining above the gap. The same gap, it is acting as support. Al Ansari, nothing interesting. Imar, yes, I had posted a video about Imar also. It's still in a safe zone. We can see this trend line is acting as support. As of now it's still in a safe area. We do not want to see any breach of this trend line. In case if we see a breakdown, it can come down to retest this zone, that is 5.55 to 5.6 area. Else it can continue its momentum to the upside. Resistance is at 6.90 area and then most likely we can see it will cross 7.00. Diva, as of now we can see weakness. It breached this trend line that was acting as support. We can see previously it was taking a bounce. Unfortunately we are seeing a breakdown. This is not a good indication, but yes, support is at 2.64. Salik is bullish, but as of now we can see similar kind of reaction. Trend line is breached, but we are not seeing a close below this line. Yesterday there was a close with thin volumes. Today so far the candle is open. As you know, market is open. Let's see how it closes today. Talking about Empower, it's still in safe zone. I had recommended this stock as well. Till the time Empower is above and it does not close below the low of 1.85, it is still to be considered as bullish. I'm expecting an upside momentum in Empower. Taaleem, very good performance. This is what happens when a stock opens with a huge gap up. People start booking profits. Previously, if you remember, I had recommended Taaleem in this zone. This is a strong support area for Taaleem. Yesterday we saw this huge green candle with good volumes. Our target was the resistance zone, which is already achieved, and now people are booking their profits. Obviously because those who entered right at the bottom or even at the top, when the market opened with a huge gap up, they were in profits. So usually what people do is they start booking the profits, and this is what exactly is happening as of now. DR is good, but today it opened with a gap down, showing a slight weakness from the buyer side. UPP, I'm surprised it did not go up today, and I had uploaded a detailed analysis on UPP for my paid members. I'm sure you could have understood why this price action is going on as of now. So definitely you can relate this with my yesterday's paid members video. In case if you have missed it, please watch it. And yes, in case if you people are interested to join my paid membership, many of you are confused how to join. It's very simple. All you have to do is go to the YouTube channel. Next to subscribe button, you can click join button, select the membership of your choice and then proceed. And you will be notified whenever I post videos for members. and these videos will be obviously exclusively for the paid members. Let's move on further. DFM is still looking good. This is the resistance area. I had explained this in my previous video as well. If you have entered at the time of breakout, your first take profit area is right here above 1.55, and this should be your final target as this is resistance. Let's talk about IHC. It's been going sideways for months and months. Yes, we are seeing few spikes at the bottom, a few spikes at the top. It means it's in a no trend as of now. Aldar is looking positive, but it's correcting itself. I will discuss this in detail. Multiply is also looking weaker. It have already broken the trend line. We are seeing 3 red candles back to back. Let's see how it closes today. Q holding, I was expecting upside momentum. I had also uploaded a video on this one. Unfortunately, the report they published was not very good, so market did not react positively. It opened with a huge gap down. This is what happens. You see, previously the market closed at 2.51. Very next day when the market opened with a negative news, it opened at 2.47. So what happens is people who bought at the top were in panic. They started booking the profits, and hence we are seeing selling pressure. Buruj is looking very good. We can expect upside momentum. Burjil sideways. Pre-sight is also very good. I remember I had recommended pre-sight right at this level. This is a crucial support and resistance area. Today it opened with a gap up. There is some resistance at 3.25. Once this is taken out, we can see a strong momentum to the upside. Next target should be around 3.55 to 3.60 area. Bayanat is also similar sideways. M Steel is good, but for now it's correcting. Once we see a close above 1.64, then we can expect something. Rack Properties performed very good. I have been shouting out Rack Properties is very good right from this zone. Once we saw a breakout, I bought this one. I booked profit as well. And after this target was achieved at 0.990 area, I sold my stocks. I wanted to buy more right at the breakout of this resistance, but I already had too much of exposure in the market, so I did not. And obviously I missed this move. No regrets. It will give us opportunities. Let's talk this one. It's already extended. When it comes back for a correction, let it establish some support, show us some bullish signals, and then we will buy. If you ask me for an example, here is a good example. A strong move to the upside. It takes a breather, again moves to the upside, takes a breather, and then moves up. So market always gives us chances. We don't need to rush. Americana is in a no trading zone. Obviously it broke this trend line, so we do not want to try to catch a falling knife. It can still go down further. Fertiglobe is looking very positive, very bullish. I had recommended this stock as well. We can see it's been trading in this channel. Support, resistance, support, resistance. This is very positive stock. Invictus could not survive the gains. I had mentioned this earlier also, but yes, I had recommended this stock right here when we saw a bullish divergence. After 2 days, it made a huge move to the upside. Unfortunately, it could not sustain the gains. As of now, I'm stocking this one. I want to see it coming down into my zone, and then I will see how it performs. Maybe it gives me a good bullish candle with good volumes, or it can make any chart pattern here and then wait for a breakout. This is how you stock a stock. Wait for the price to come to you. We do not want to jump to the price. Say for example, when it opened with a huge gap up, obviously people bought right at the top. They are in serious losses as of now. So we should not be in any kind of FOMO. You should buy at your price. Let the market come to you. Talking about ad ports, no, it's coming back for a correction. Keep it in a stocking mode. We want to see how it performs in this area, that is 6.50. ADNOC distribution is suffering as well. We can see it's not able to cross the resistance of 4.05. Once it breaks this resistance, it will be in a bullish territory. ADNOC drilling is very positive. Look at this scenario. It broke the resistance, came back for a retest, and now after this big move, it's correcting itself. So where is the next area for us to stock? We want to see how it performs between 3.80 to 3.85. So it's already coming here. Let's wait for it. I will update you if I see any bullish signals. ADNOC gas, no doubt in a strong uptrend. I had recommended this right at the time of breakout. Many of them purchased, many of them were in profits. Thank you very much for giving me your feedbacks as well. ADNOC Logistics and Services is in a strong uptrend. I think it's time for correction. 3.70 is resistance. It's not able to break out. Ishraq also I had recommended, I think around 2 days back, right at this candle. The reason being is very simple. It's at an important support area. Today we are seeing a solid big move. It's up by more than 3%. Manazil is performing very well. It's at 0.510. I sold it a bit early. Let me show you my sales today right here. I sold at 0.495. I had small quantity of 73,860. Sold it at 0.495 just before 30 minutes or so, but it's still fine. I bought at a very good level. I bought at the bottom, so this gives me a good profit. I will now keep this stock in my stocking mode. Any dip should be considered as buying opportunity. Where is the next strong support area where it can retest? It's somewhere around 0.485 to 0.488 area. So let's see how it performs. And then I have Apex. This is also looking interesting to me. I was expecting a continuation of upside momentum. Unfortunately, it have come down. Nothing to worry. Support is very near. We are seeing a hammer candle today. Till the time it's staying within this triangle pattern right here, it's still safe. Maybe we can expect a breakout to the upside very soon. So guys, this was a quick update on both the markets. I will also provide a link to join my membership in the description box below. More updates later during the day. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.